Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, at the device list at the top, click Pair New Device. Not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, but I have it, so I need to click on it. Now, open the charging case, and if your earbuds don't connect it with another devices, it will enter to pairing mode automatically. You know it by the LED light was blinking white, and also we see these earbuds at the device list. Also, we can enter to pairing mode manually, so at the back side of each earbud we have touch controls. You need to press and hold both of these touch controls. Your charging case should be open, of course, until the LED lights start blinking white. And then you will enter to pairing mode manually. Now, tap at your earbuds at the device list, and then click Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!